What's up, guys? Time for Adventure Hobby Passion, back today doing another video. So, as you've seen from the last video, it was the first ride video of the Blue Mini Bike. And we got bad news. We're taking it apart again. Because, you know, that's what I always do. But, we are taking it apart again, and we are hurrying and welding up everything. We're going to paint the very raw metal stuff. I'm probably end up going to paint some of the other back stuff, but I got to redo the brake. Probably won't do that in this video, but I'm going to be tearing everything down, finish welding everything, and painting it this weekend. So, yeah, we're going to jump right into the time lapse. Also, Katie's inside. We'll have the next video will be on her. Guys, I got my fender off, and she's really dirty from last Christmas special and this. I don't know if it's going to do any justice, but let me see if I can get it to film. Oh yeah, definitely not going to do it justice, but look at that dirt just slid around. So right here, this weird little spot, that's a non-painted spot, and then this side I believe is bed lined and this side's undercoated. I was testing the difference between it. So the top side where it would be facing out is is undercoat, and then this side's bed liner. But yeah, it's like super gross. All these huge bumps is all old tire from last year when I did the burnout for blowing up the tire just on asphalt, and then all the dirt is from riding and doing the Christmas special for this year. So hopefully you guys enjoyed that one. Well, technically last year, because this will be going up in 2021. So weird, but yeah. Hopefully you're having a great year. So, yeah, let's boogie back into taking the box apart. Alright guys, we got a bare frame again. We're going to be welding in this little bar, and then we're going to I changed my mind. I think I'm going to try to start getting more done in videos. I'm going to cut this bracket off. That's the brake bracket. I'm going to cut it off because we're going to be installing the other brake caliper. It's over there. But I got to drill it out so be able to fit on there. The studs are just smaller on that one. It's not going to lose any strength, really. But then we're going to drill it out, put it on there, put the back wheel on, and then try to get the brake thing. But I don't know. But after that, we'll just keep working. Alright guys, so the mini bike's all been taken apart. We're going to end this part section of the video. We got the parts all grinded down, sanded, and I painted them. I did not paint them on film, but unfortunately they did turn out kind of bad. Right there, it's got paper towel all over it. Kind of sucks, but I'm not going to worry about those parts. The handlebars, though, I am going to repaint. Let me zoom out. And yeah, but luckily it's just that one, those little parts, so I'll sand it a little bit, repaint it, and it'll be fine. And yeah, but in the next part, we're going to get into brakes and maybe hopefully reassembling it. Well, brakes, paint, and then reassembling it. And then this baby should pretty much be done for the most part for pretty much, I'm hoping, for a very long time. We might add engine parts, but frame-wise, I'm hoping to be done modifying. So yeah, hopefully you guys enjoyed this section of the build of the mini bike. We have put a lot of different days of working on this bike together, trying to get more done in each video, so it's a little more entertaining and I can catch up on videos. So yeah, like, comment, share, subscribe, but biggest thing with my channel, go out and go find your passion.